Look what's happening in the tropics. We've got some activity out there. Things are becoming much more active in the tropical Atlantic. A few blips on the satellite imagery. Sorry about that, but we do want to show you what's happening. Tropical storm Florence continues to work its way to the west. This is out in the open waters of the Atlantic Ocean. We're going to keep a close eye on it because if it keeps going to the west, then eventually it becomes a concern for the islands of the Caribbean, maybe, but for the east coast of the U.S. as well. But, I mean, that's a week and a half away at the earliest, and more likely it's going to curve away from the coast. This area of disturbed weather, just moving off the west coast of Africa, could develop into another tropical disturbance as it moves into the yellow shaded area just to the south of where Florence is at the moment. National Hurricane Center just says a 20% chance of development within the next 5 days. But there is another system that is becoming more organized as we speak. This is potential tropical cyclone number 7. Yeah, that's a mouthful, but it's basically going to become Tropical Storm Gordon. That's the expectation over the next 24 hours. So let's track it, show you where it's going to go. Not going to have a direct impact on our weather here because it's going to cross right over the southern tip of Florida, become a tropical storm within the next 24 hours in all likelihood. Stay a tropical storm. Not expected to reach hurricane strength, but obviously we're going to keep a close eye on this. The main threat along the Gulf Coast as it makes landfall by late Tuesday night. It's going to be some very heavy rainfall rates. We're talking about the potentials for more than 15 inches of rain, and it doesn't take but a fraction of that to cause some flooding problems in that part of the country. So we will keep an eye on all of those systems as the tropics are becoming much more active. But for right now, well, it just feels tropical out there. It's definitely warm. It's definitely muggy. 69 degrees the temperature in Chapel Hill, 70 degrees on campus at NC State. Not seeing any fog out there so far this morning, so things are starting off calm, and temperatures are going to warm up rapidly from an already warm start. Upper 60s and low 70s on the map right now, including 70 officially in Raleigh and Durham, 72 in Fayetteville and in Clinton. As we go through the rest of this Labor Day holiday, temperatures are going to heat up to the low 90s for highs this afternoon. Just an isolated shower and thunderstorm chance. Saw numerous showers and thunderstorms develop Saturday and again yesterday. Fewer of those today. There'll be a couple here and there, but temperatures will still reach up to the low 90s before that best chance of showers and storms develops. Low 90s everywhere across central North Carolina with the heat index several degrees warmer than these air temperatures, reaching up to the mid to upper 90s. Futurecast is not very impressed with our rain chances today. Just a few radar freckles showing up on the simulation as we go through the heat of the afternoon into early this evening. Best chance looks like it'll be along the coastal plain and maybe towards the sandhills, but it's a 20% chance for pretty much everybody in that heat and humidity. Anything that develops will quickly quiet down as the sun goes down this evening, and then we'll do the whole thing over again tomorrow. Same 20% storm chance and even lower chance on Wednesday. And temperatures are going to be hot throughout the upcoming week. Low 90s today all the way through Friday. Slightly better chance of storms by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That'll drop our temperatures down closer to normal for this time of year by the time the weekend rolls around. We'll keep you updated on that. I'm also keeping you updated on the